You guys, this is the pizza that my son, my youngest son, and my daughter is making, and their aunt.
So they're on the same spot.
Oh, that one's already done. Oh. For this? Who's that? Make it evenly. It's like all over the place.
You want me to lick it?
It's up to you.
Just don't dip it back in the sauce. Oh, that's your hand. No, she's talking about the spoon. Oh God.
Why don't you pour it on there? Pour the sauce on there.
Me?
Wait, what? Just smear it around with the spoon. Pour all of it. Maybe some boring pizza if you got barely no sauce. Get all the edges, Malachi.
The important thing about the pizza sauce is the cheese. Ready to put the cheese?
I'm going to drop it on cheap.
Why are you putting cheese in one spot?
Oops. I was just saying the texture.
Right.
Put some of this cheese too.
Yeah, go for it.
Then why are you rubbing it?
I'll sprinkle it all over. Why am I going to do this one? Just put the spoon. Put it right here.
Like, why are you rubbing it? Best pizza ever.
What is that? Pizza with extra?
Cheese, 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 cheese.
Dropping the cheese everywhere. You're giving the floor cheese too.
They're gonna sweep.
No. Yeah, I can't go sweet.
You sweep too. I did the chamber. You sweep. How do I have to sweep?
I'm missing the spot right there. That spot in the middle is full.
Yeah, they put a lot in one spot. Makes no sense.
Talk about yours, huh?
Yeah, mine, look, all over.
I don't have no more. This is the final set, guys.
This is the pizza that my daughter and my youngest son made.
Yep.
The fuck?
Should have fired.
It really does.
Okay.
It's so good. It looks like macaroni and cheese.
Oh, sorry.
Are you sure with garlic?
You put garlic on pizza? You know you go to the pizza shop, you put garlic on it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's a
Oh, that's strong.
Put garlic and oregano.
pepper.
Oregano,
That's so strong.
black pepper sometimes.
Mom, that shh.
And also pepper.
Where my plate?
No, it's you.
Oh,
Shut up.
you shut up.
I want one. Wait, I want a small one.
Wait, is your bowl right there?
It's grandma.
Oh, okay.
Who's gonna cut the first piece?
Grandma's first, since she's sick.
Come on, that one. Oh, mommy getting that one too.
She get this one. She likes crispy.
Make sure it's sliceable.
Give me your arm, Kayla. That pan was just in the oven.
Make sure it's sliceable.
You got nowhere. Oh, sorry. Forgot you for it.
So I hear you singing.
At least you're gonna be a celebrity when you sing.
Hmm?
You're gonna be a celebrity. Do grandma's first.
Grandma getting this one.
Oh.
This one. Got this pan in a circle.
It's stuck.
Sorry.
It's
No, it's not
stuck.
stuck. It's not stuck. It's just
That's funny.
the pan.
It's stuck.
Come on, bitch.
Leave it. Wait, are we on live?
It don't matter if you're adult, you curse.
Oh, wait. I don't want to. Ooh, that was hot. I don't know why I did that.
Could have used the handle, you know.
The handle's hot too. It was in the oven.
Oh yeah.
Didn't mean to use a pot holder to use that.
Yeah, with that.
There you go.
It looks like a real pizza.
It is pizza.
Yeah, it's a little pizza.
It's a real pizza. You mean from the pizza shop?
Maybe pizza.
Yeah.
How it tastes?
Good.
See if the beige kid wants some.
I love it.
You want to say yeah?
delicious.
I sing.
This is the weird family.
Why you weird?
I'm weird.
You know that. Oh, you want another?
That was a nice
Yeah.
slice. That's a nice slice.
I know, right?
Yeah, don't get overboard with yourself.
Shut up, Kayla. Okay.
See, I know it.
That's
So I
surprising.
said I think
You don't want pizza?
because he has a cold.
Oh, you sick?
He has like a little cold,
Oh, too
sneezing
bad.
and stuff.
Stop going and hanging out with the whole world.
Mhm.
Oh, too
Better
bad.
keep that COVID in there.
More for
Yeah.
us then.
But
Another good
Right there.
slice of pizza.
All right, well that's the pizza, and all right, say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Kayla.
bye.
Bye.
No, I don't want to get. I don't want to get that side. Put your face in the camera. Really, Malachi?
Did it?
Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Share me on social media, and I appreciate you.